Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Premium Lace Wig. I currently have on their HD transparent loose body wave wig. Now this wig is a 5x5 HD transparent lace. It is 26 inches, a loose body wave texture, and she is 200% density, so she is very full. However, as you guys can see, she's nice and silky and flowy, and she's 100% glueless. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that comes along in the box. So the hair comes very well packaged, and again, this wig is from Premium Lace Wig. I have their 5x5 HD transparent lace closure wig. This wig is 100% glueless. It does have the combs and the adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install. Alright, let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. So as always, I'm going to give you guys some more close-ups of the wig cap in itself, including the lace froom. Again, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It is 200% density. You have 4 different combs inside of this wig cap, including the adjustable strap for a nice glueless and secure wig install. So we will not be using any glue for this wig install. You guys know I normally don't use glue anyways, so we're going to go ahead and just jump on into it. Alright, this wig install is completely beginner friendly. So the first thing that I'm doing is adding some cream foundation onto that lace. You want to make sure that you do this part just to ensure that the lace matches your skin color specifically. So again, I'm using a cream foundation, and all my products that I normally use is listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out. After you do that, you're going to adjust the adjustable strap and go ahead and throw the wig on. Now you guys will see me adjusting the adjustable strap while the wig is on my head. That is because I need the wig to fit as tight as possible, because if I'm not going to use any product to secure the lace down, then that is essential. The wig has to be perfectly secure so that the lace can lay flat. Next, I'll be using my wax stick and my hot comb just to get all of the unnecessary hair out of my face. Now the wig does look like they gave you a head start as far as plucking wise, but this is a 200% density wig, so I noticed that the hairline was pretty full, so I did go ahead and just pluck some more hair off of that lace. Now my biggest rule when it comes to plucking the lace, you guys, is to do a little bit at a time. I used to over pluck my wigs a lot, and even though it wouldn't look bad for the very first wig install because it's giving scalp, you really want to make sure that your wigs are going to last. I noticed that when you over pluck your wigs, you're not going to get as much wear out of them as you would like to. So the key is to have a natural hairline. Depending on what you like, that may mean different to you. You may want to pluck a little bit more hair, but as long as the hairline looks natural to me, then I'm good to go. So I do a little bit at a time until I'm satisfied with the hairline overall. Once I'm comfortable with that, then I go ahead and I cut off all the additional lace that we no longer need. Okay, so far so good. So right now I'm just putting the hair into a ponytail because I realized that on the sides, like where like the lace closure ends, it was a little too loose for me. So I am just adding a little bit of spray just to hold the lace in place, and also I'm using the spray to take some of the hair and cover up those ends. Sometimes those end pieces when it comes to lace closure wigs are extremely noticeable, so I kind of finesse it to cover it up. That way it's not noticeable anymore. And as you guys can see, the lace is looking really good, so now it is time to move forward. So I am going to go in with a side part today because I've been doing crazy amount of middle parts and I know you guys are tired of it. So I'm going to go in with the side part, and to ensure that the wig is laying extremely flat and it is giving natural, I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going section by section to really smooth the hair down and mold it into place. Now I'm going in with a little bit more foundation and I'm just adding it to the ends of that lace, which I technically didn't really need to do, but there's nothing wrong with blending the lace in a little bit more, right? And then I'm also going to go in with a lighter foundation in the parting area. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone. I tell you guys this every video, so that's the reason why I go in with the lighter foundation in my parting area. Okay, how is the wig looking, you guys? Comment down below and let me know what you think. Now, if you would like to pluck a little bit more hair off that hairline, that's completely up to you. But again, when it comes to me, if I feel like it's looking natural and I like the way that it looks on me, then I'm okay to move forward. So we are going to recurl the hair because I like my curls to look nice and fresh. So I did one side off camera and I'm going to show you guys how I did the other side. First step is to add some hairspray. I like to add hairspray to get rid of the flyaways and to also hold the curls in place. Then I use my brush to ensure that the hairspray got on each and every strand, and then it's time to curl. So I'm going to take my first section, and sometimes I do like to use my wax stick on this section if there's extra flyaways, and I just kind of smooth the hair down with that and comb it through. And then I just wrap it around my curling wand. I leave it on for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds and then I let it go. My curling wand is at 430 degrees, by the way. That's normally the degrees that I have it set on whenever I curl my wigs. She took to the heat extremely well. There was no burning, no crazy smell. I also did not have excessive shedding nor excessive tangling. The hair quality overall was very, very nice. So now I'm going in with my handy dandy wax stick. I know I abuse my wax stick, but it does not make the hair sticky or anything like that. It just helps me to get rid of flyaways, which is something I cannot stand. But I like to go in with my wax stick for the touch-ups and also my curling wand, just to really make sure that nothing is sticking up, everything is laying nice and flat. And as you guys can see, it looks like I just came fresh out of the salon. Now, when it comes to combing out the curls, I prefer to use my fingers. If you would like a more fuller look, a more effortless look, you could definitely use a brush or a wide tooth comb, but my fingers work just fine for me. And that's all that I did for this wig install, you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you're thinking, let me know if you like the outcome, let me know what you guys think about the lace overall. They did mention that this was an HD transparent lace, but she actually wasn't that transparent to me, which is great. Being that I am brown skinned, that just helps the lace to melt even more. And when it comes to that hairline, once again, you guys, if you choose to pluck a lot more hair based on what you like your wigs to look like, that is extremely up to you. But as long as I'm happy with how the wig looks on me, then I'm good to go. Again, I do not like to over pluck my lace because I want my lace to last, okay? Everything will be listed in the description box down below, including the direct link to this wig in itself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.